Alright guys, look at Maximus. Look at my sister. Look at my nephew. I just got out the physical therapy. Got my trunk stuff, bro. And now we're gonna go eat. Alright guys, we got to the food spot. I know you guys know that dude, bro. It's alright, I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. What are you gonna eat, Jaden? Where's your fat ass gonna eat? What?
Some burger with fries.
Some burger with fries. He says he's gonna eat boogers with fries.
What? No.
You're gonna pick your boogers?
A hamburger.
He's gonna eat a hamburger with fries, and I'm gonna eat.
We're gonna eat some chili fries.
I made a salad, bro. Yeah, it's a salad. I'm eat a fucking salad, bro. No hat today, cause I feel like the hat makes me look a little weird. My hairline's not there, but fuck it. I'll show you guys my food. Here you go, my boy. Nathan. I got a club sandwich, bro. There you go, little fat boy. Eat your grass, my boy. Eat your grass, my boy.
Ay, Jenny. No, van a decir que no estamos engordando. ¿Verdad?
Eat your grass, my boy. Let's smack this with a fucking tomato.
Quieres investigar nada más. ¿Qué abusivo eres?
No más chiste.
No, pues no andes haciendo chistes con él.
Baby, chiste.
Booty.
Signer.
Siren head.
Tell him. Booty. You're saying signer, my boy. We just finished eating. It's not better than Andy's Burgers Club Sandwich, but 7. ¿Qué piensas? ¿Qué piensas de la comida?
Que no me gustó nada.
Max, what do you think of the food? Was it good, Max, or no?
Max, did you like your hamburger?
Alright, then you too. Did you like your food, Linda?
Nah.
Jaden, did you like your food? Nathan, did you like your food? Can't see anything. What about Big Jess? Did you like the food, Jessica?
No, just the fries.
Oh yeah, I was just lying then. Since everyone wants to come out truthfully, I didn't like the club sandwich. That shit was ass.
You're like the difference coming out.
You know, the mayo was not it, bro. Yeah, fuck that trailer, bro. Yeah, I'll beat that fool up. No cap. Alright guys, we're at the Home Depot.
Oh no.
I came to go get some wood to help my sister put her air conditioner on. Now I got my other sister right here. But I had to call her my little big sister.
Okay, do a flip.
Do a flip?
Jaden, do a flip.
I think we want one of these. Have them cut. You guys are thick, boy. What the fuck, buddy? There you go. Alright guys, I'm gonna be building an AC in my sister's room. But we're gonna go move her. What's it called? Shed. We're gonna move her shed behind her window. But this is the beginning part. That's how it's gonna look like. Alright, so we moved her shed to the right. My dog's trying. Alright, so we're gonna go do this real quick. My dog trying, but I'm gonna go put some wood on this bitch and then yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this wood.
You want to bring you the saw?
It's right here.
I'm gonna bring you the saw.
No, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna cut this right here real quick. I'm gonna grab it. Don't point at me. We'll get this off, my boy.
You wanna hold the wood? Go.
I'm sick, bro. I don't like this saw, bro.
It's whack. you guys can see.
Move. It's not lovely. So we're gonna have it.
I'm gonna put this here.
Oh, alright. I cut the saw. I cut the wood. Now I'm gonna apply the wood into the fucking AC. So let's go do that.
Alright, so he's about to install the things to the AC. We're gonna put it in that window, as you guys can see. So, yeah, hold up. Okay, we're back. He's getting tools right now. As you guys can see.
Put the light in here, bro.
Look right here.
I'm in my boss's room. Alright. We're just getting tornillos.
Yeah, guys, look at that.
Alright.
We're a packer fan.
Alright, you can turn it off.
Alright, he's putting the screws in, as you guys can see. He put one right there.
That boy, there's no come out. But now we gotta put one in the middle.
You guys can see.
That's what
The door's open. I left
I'm
the
gonna
door
saw
open.
this so the top window doesn't show.
I left.
So get the little homie again. Jaden, go on that side.
I thought it was gonna hold it right here.
I got it. So I'm gonna cut it more to the outside, just in case. There you go. See? Bro, you guys gotta watch out, man. This shit's fucking weak. I didn't know it was this weak, dude. I didn't know that shit was that weak.
What do you mean that week? The
Yeah.
wood or the
The
saw?
wood.
Be careful, don't break your hand.
Don't hold it. It's close. Just too much pressure on it.
It's just sharp.
I know.
Or that's a toy. Just
You can have me cutting shit.
huh?
You can have me cutting lots of shit now.
Cutting a watermelon
No.
with it.
It was too.
Now let's measure
Now
it.
it was too high for this bitch. So
Measure it. You gotta water this after, because look how that dust he's in.
this bitch.
Oh, God.
Oh, Xander has that one tool, but I don't. It's okay.
That's scary. Wait. Scary.
Go to this side. Report for him.
Make something money out. What?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah? Alright, my paycheck for this is the money I owed my sister. It was $30. So now I owe $0 because I installed her TV. And now I installed this.
Don't fill my dirty room.
But this right here basically is to fill the empty spots. So it doesn't leave. There doesn't leave. And then also for bugs don't come in. You feel me? So you get a spot like this. You don't want little tiny spiders coming in. Another floor right here. Put a bit sticky. Have it shit tight. Boom.
What do you do with the curtain?
You want to spray can?
You got the spray can yet? I mean the spray can. The curtain.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get the curtain right now.
Wait, Jaden.
I'm gonna go get the curtain. Oh. The curtain should be in here. No, it's not. It's in the kitchen. Hold up just a sec, guys. Just a second. There it is. Holy crap. Let's go take this curtain to them. Hold up, guys. Ow. That thing hurts. Alright, so far so good. Ow! Alright, guys. So, yeah. Got the curtain. There, my mom has the curtain. I'm gonna go back to see what this is on.
I think it's a little.
What? They only had 63 as lower. Yeah, what?
So yeah, here's the air conditioner. Hey Jesse, he's touching your things.
No, I think it's
Give me that, dude. You're gonna poke yourself. Ugh. Look at this drill.
What is that?
You don't want to get bit by that.
Recording the dirty room. You ever think?
So yeah.
You're gonna give James this? You're gonna give James this?
I see there's the air conditioner.
Tell me you're like you want to cut it. Go, you want to learn cut it? Cut it. You're not even cutting it right. What is this? Look, he doesn't know what the hell he's doing.
You know what? Jenny, you're gonna cut yourself.
Look, he wants to try it. He wants to say he doesn't know how to do it. He's gonna cut his finger.
Yes, Jesse.
Oh.
Another piece.
Oh, I can use that, yeah.
Yeah, to put on the window para que no se vea.
Yeah.
I cut it already, guys.
Alright, move.
Bro, this shit's easy.
Hold this phone.
And you still want me to hold your camera?
Yes, hold it phone.
Bro, I'm gonna get the most of you. Get the camera on the blade.
Yeah, it's too close, Jordan. Stop playing around, Jaden.
Oh, look, he's cracking it. Crack it again.
I should have just done like this.
Here, boom. There's still a 151 video.
Alright, look guys, I did it. There. What the hell you want? Bro, we're at time to go to sleep, my boy. It's 1 a.m., Poncho. Buddy. Going to sleep. We're going to sleep. Come on, go to sleep. Poncho. See madre, bud. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. I finished doing that. And tomorrow I'll post another video, hopefully. Bye guys, have a good one.